Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura from Tiger Cutie Co. And we are going to be planning in my So Much Crafting B6 inserts for Valentine's Day week, which is very exciting. And we're going to be using this mini kit from Paper Empire. I will link her shop down below. I've had this for about a year, so I'm not exactly sure if this is still in her shop, but I used another kit of hers not that long ago and it was still in the shop from the previous year. So I'll link the shop. Hopefully it's there, or maybe not because it's Valentine's Day. I don't know. So obviously this kit is not super Harry Potter. Like I said, I'll kind of be going back and forth between completely like full-on Harry Potter spreads and some other types. And this is obviously very Valentine's Day themed, but I just realized that the quote is "Love is the closest thing we have to magic." Hello, magic. I thought that was super awesome. So these are the full boxes and this is on glossy paper. This kit was like $7 or something. I adore this full box so much, and it has like this Paris theme, which is really cute. We have half boxes, which are rounded, these little three checklists. We have squared off, we have the full heart checklists, and then we have today to do, work this week, notes and goals headers, some like quarter boxes, appointment bill due, weekend banner, habit tracker, like for the week, smaller habit tracker, some icons, which I don't care for her icons. They're kind of, I don't know. I don't like the outlining, or I don't know, something about it I don't like. But that's it, just a 3-page kit, but I think it will be perfect for this spread, for this size kit. I think it's going to be really, really amazing. So we're going to get started. And I think I'm going to start, and we don't have washi. I might pull in Simply Gilded washi if I need it, but I'm not sure I'm going to need it. So we'll just kind of play it by ear. But I have red Simply Gilded washi. I have black Simply Gilded washi. I have pink Simply Gilded washi. So I think we'll find what we need, you know? Okay, so I started by putting this down just because I know where it goes. And I think I'll put a this week header there as well, because I have it. Oop, that like doesn't cover up the little dots from the word all the way, but I'm not going to try to lift a glossy sticker off of this paper because I struggle with that. Let's see here. These bill dues and appointments are really cute because these are cut out at the top, but that means I kind of want to put something down like before I would put that down, because it would have to either layer over something, otherwise it'll get covered up. So maybe I'll try my full boxes. So this one I want in the corner of the top. So we're going to try to line it up so that it's at the very, very top, and so we cover the lines that are here. I apologize for the glossy sticker glare. I'm filming at night, as always. So it just gets a little challenging. Let's see. Do I want like just full boxes all the way down? Would that be cute? I really want to put this one on Valentine's Day. Maybe that one on the 13th. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, so I think I'll put this black one next, just because it's very different from the pink. And then maybe this Paris one, the little balloons say "Be Mine" and "I Heart You." So adorable. Okay, and then I have room down here for something. Not sure what. Maybe one of these like squared off boxes or something. I don't know. Oh, and then I can put full boxes like over these as well. Okay, I definitely want to use, like I said, this one on Valentine's Day. But do I put it at the bottom, the top? I don't know. We have headers too. I think I'm going to just put this at the top, and then if I have a to-do underneath, that's fine. I'm not sure it will even fit like one of those 3 heart lists. I could probably fit a header in there, and it might go down to here, but that's fine. So maybe this like cherry red color. And then, like I said, this little 3 heart list, just so I have, although do I really want to-dos? I mean, maybe I would want to mark like date night or something. Oh well, this will work. And that covered up the thing I didn't cover up last time. That's a win-win, I guess. Okay, and then I want to put the little Cupid guy on Tuesday. And I think I'll put this one at the bottom. And this is my 9-month anniversary with my boyfriend. So maybe we'll put a today header in this little bit darker red. And maybe put one of the half boxes in there. Maybe the black one. It'll layer a little bit, but because the box is kind of the same pattern over and over, not really too big of a deal. Now, I probably should put some checklists in, so I'll probably put checklists Monday, Thursday. Not sure about Friday yet. I guess I could put the weekend banner in. We're kind of all over the place, aren't we? Okay, that's super cute. We have a bill due, but I have a bill due the 15th and the 17th, so I might need to use like a quarter box or something for one of them. I'll try to do that one on, maybe I'll put a header. Let's see. Maybe a today header. I'll use the light pink. I don't know how I'm going to get this on straight, but we're going to try. And then put this underneath. And that will be my Simply Gilded bill. The 15th is my car insurance, but like I said, it has that little cutout, so I don't want to put it on there yet. I have an appointment scheduled for Wednesday. No, Tuesday? No, yeah, Wednesday. Ew, that's not gonna fit. Okay, maybe I'll put that down here. I could do that, right? Maybe I'll put the appointment here. And then I can probably fit a quarter box underneath it. I think that works. It mostly covers up the lines. A little bit crooked, but not too shabby. I think they're a little like off kilter in how they're lined up, but oh well. Okay, so we're gonna do some to-do headers. So I think I'll do this pink. I don't know if I really have like a pattern going. We'll do this pink here. And then I'll put the light pink on Monday. Probably can't see this, I'm sorry. Okay, and then we'll put checklists on those days because I gotta write stuff somewhere. We gotta keep on track. We can't just be decorative in here. And that way I kind of have one towards the beginning of the week and one a little bit later in the week, which is fine. Tuesday, I don't know. Wednesday I'll be pretty busy with work, doctor's appointment, and then date night, seeing my boyfriend. So maybe some half boxes in here. Let's put the stripes on this day. And then maybe this like Paris or the Eiffel Tower with the bicycle this day. And I think I might layer a little bit onto the flag, but I'm trying not to I'm trying not to layer over the date for Saturday. Okay, I can still put full boxes down here because I don't need all that room, and then I can probably put one on, well, maybe I want a checklist on Sunday. Maybe I can fit one. Nope, I can't really fit a whole one on Saturday. I could trim it. Let's put a checklist on Sunday. So what did I do? Dark pink. So then this would be light red. Oh, I guess I screwed that up. I don't know. Maybe I'll do dark red there and light red here. Although then I kind of have a lot of light red down here. But it's going to be red no matter what. So we're just going to go with it. Sundays are usually not like super busy, but I have a lot of like small things I usually have to get done. So we'll do that on Sunday. And then, oh, maybe on Saturday I can do one of these little guys. And we'll do a little to-do. That works, right? I feel like let's put it at the bottom. And then stick this on top. And then we'll have a little room in the center for something. I can put flags or whatever, icons, another quarter box, whatever that might be. Shoot, I didn't leave room for my build-do. Why do I do this? Okay, so we'll layer it over the checklist. It'll take up 2 of the hearts, but that's fine. See the cute little like cutout build-do? I love it. Makes it hard though. It makes it harder. Okay, I have my appointment, so we have some room for full boxes down here. And then I just don't think I'll be using washi at all, which is totally fine. So, which one do I want on Friday? Like, which 2 would look best next to each other? I feel like maybe these 2 because they both have the balloons. Oh, but then I have the Eiffel Tower down here already. Okay, we'll put these balloons down here. And then we'll put this stripe with the balloons next to it. And it'll kind of look like the balloon bunch just continues into the next box. And then we'll put this one on Friday. And I think I'll put it up at the top. And then I can probably fit a half box. Oh, but then I have a half box next to a half box. Do I care? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I'll do a squared one instead, just to be a little bit different. And I'm going to scoot it down basically as far as I can. And then I'll put a to-do header over top. It'll cover up the picture just a smidge, but that's okay. We know it's a bike with the Eiffel Tower. Cute, a little bit crooked. And then I think I'll put this quarter box or this half box down here. Let's see. I have a notes. Should we do that? So notes with a half box covers all of the lines perfectly. So we just have deco and then a notes and then deco for habit trackers. What was this for Monday? I think that was just to have room. 9-month anniversary, Valentine's Day with a little checklist of maybe things that my boyfriend and I do. I also have an appointment that day, and then I have a little more room to write here. I can put dinners in here. Checklist, my car insurance, my friend's birthday, just a little spot to do to-dos, Simply Gilded, little spot for some more stuff, some to-dos, and some to-dos. And then I have icons, half or quarter boxes, some headers, a habit tracker, and then I still have 4 more half boxes and 5 more checklists, and I used all of my full boxes, and I think it's super cute. I love how quick these are, but I definitely could not replace my Erin Condren with this. I don't feel like I can put enough in here for my liking, but I think it's super fun and super cute to do along the way. So here is my non-Harry Potter planner, but we do have the little nod to magic, and of course it's Valentine's Day week, so yes, it works for me. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day and have a great week no matter what you guys are doing, and yeah, let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Do you have a significant other? Or what is your best Valentine's Day memory, or do you have any funny stories from Valentine's Day? Let me know down below. This will be my first Valentine's Day, like, with somebody that actually cares about me. So, yeah, we're just gonna get some Chinese food, hang out together. Nothing fancy, but we're not really fancy people, so yeah. I'd rather do that than, like, be at dinner at a restaurant with lots and lots of other people. We'll go out to a restaurant another night. We'll just order Chinese tonight, or on Valentine's Day night. Okay, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you next time. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos this week, probably on Wednesday. Okay, love you guys. Bye!